If your Sony TV is turning on and off every second, every few seconds, or even stuck in a boot loop with a blinking red light, that could point to a hardware issue. In that case, you can still try performing a hard reset using the physical power button. I've attached a separate video in the description and at the end of this video that walks you through that process step by step. But in this video, we're going to focus on a different problem. When your Sony Bravia smart TV shuts off by itself after 5, 10, or even 30 minutes. I'm going to show you 3 simple solutions you can try right now. Solution 1. Turn off timers. Grab your remote and go to Settings. From there, navigate to System Settings, then scroll down to Clock and Timers. Check the On Timer option. If it's turned on, press OK and switch it off. Next, go down to the Sleep Timer and turn that off as well. After making these changes, check your TV. For many people, this step alone solves the issue. If not, let's move on. Solution 2. Turn off Bravia Sync Control. Head back to your home page, then go into Settings again. This time, go to External Inputs and then select Bravia Sync Settings. If you see that Bravia Sync Control is turned on, press OK and turn it off. Now test your TV again. Hopefully this stops the random shutdowns, but if the problem is still there, try the last solution. Solution 3. Factory Reset. As a last resort, perform a factory reset. Keep in mind, this will erase all of your saved data, apps, and settings, so you'll need to set everything up again afterward. To reset, go into Settings, then System Settings. Navigate to General Setup, scroll down to Factory Settings. Select Yes, confirm again, and press OK. Your TV will take a few minutes to reset. Once complete, go through the setup process again. If this video helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more fixes like this, and leave a comment if you have any questions.